Guys, welcome to my Minecraft video. My friend is gonna join. Okay, now it's gonna join now. Let's see if we can join. This is literally mobile, not. Um, oh no, I won't move first. I'm gonna wait until my brother join. Oh yeah, he can join. Okay, let's go. So we got on a plain spire. A cherry blossom one. Okay, that's my brother. Let's go. I'm just gonna wait till my brother join. Yes. Bilisan mo, Red. Okay, you saw it. I'm Filipino. So now we're gonna mine a tree. Chop. Chop a tree. Tree. Okay, that's good. I'm just gonna mine cobblestone first. What the heck? Okay, that's good. Red, nandun ka. No caves. Oh, there's one. You can scare me. Okay, let's go now. This is our first base. Hope we find sheets for our beds so we can sleep through the night. I don't know why my skin is Alex because texture packs. Texture packs, to be honest, is the thing I hate. Why the zombies do this? Okay. It's just too hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1. This is the this is the only thing I need now. I mean the roof too. Baby still AFK because nagbibihis siya. That's red. Okay, another one. I'm not a Minecraft player who is like you know, like the speedrun. I'm not literally good at Minecraft. This is only my first ever Minecraft video. Okay, there it is. My first base. Copper useless. Copper is very useless. I don't know why it becomes This is only a vlog, and I'm gonna make part 2 soon. I'm gonna make part 2 later. I'm posting random videos. People. By the way, what am I yapping about? That's our mining base. Mining second base. Okay, that's cool. I'm just gonna finish that too. Oh. Okay. Right, bilisan mo. It's becoming very, very late because of red. I need to kill ships. Okay, I don't know what type of cave is that. Only one ship. Useless. Now red is gonna go. Or just unless gonna pick up the Steve, tara na ako pero. Three. No way! 6. Kukala ko 3. Hindi. Only one ship left, so we can make our own bed. One ship. Amber, stop. I'm gonna stare at that. Hey, Enderman. Where's that Enderman? Oh, there's 2. Oh. I need some wood. Tara dito. Dito mo na magay. This is my bed. Wala na, biglang umulan agad ah. Galing nga na. Aray!
Go away, go away.
Where's that Enderman? The sun is setting.
Look. Where's my bed?
Lag! Oh my god!
Ini.
I need ano. 3. Meron kang planks. Isa lang. Mag-place ka na isang plank. That's too much. Red spread. Oh, that's literally grey. Red, sa'yo nung kulay green na bed ah. Amber, stop. Red. Ayan talaga. Yan talaga inuna mo eh. No? Wala to. Nakikita rin pa ni mama.
Go away.
Okay, this is... I'm gonna make part 2 na. Okay, see you soon.